Hello everyone, myself Sejal Nakti. There are my team members Pratiksha Patil and Sakshi Shinde. We are going to present our presentation on our topic polyethylene oxide. Here, some content, introduction, chemical structure, properties, synthesis, application, advantages, disadvantages of polyethylene oxide. Introduction. Polyethylene oxide is also known as a polyethylene glycol. It is a high molecular weight compound. It is composed as a repeating unit of ethylene oxide. Polyethylene oxide is used as a films, adhesive, coating, and drug delivery system. Polyethylene oxide is highly water soluble in water and other solvent. It is commonly used as a thickening agent, lubricant, and solubilizer in pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and personal care products. It is a biocompatible and has a low toxicity, making it suitable for medical and biological applications. Chemical structure. Here we can see the basic chemical structure of ethylene oxide. Polyethylene oxide CH2CH2O. It is composed as a repeating units of ethylene oxide. The basic structure of ethylene oxide CH2CH2O. Melting point of ethylene oxide 65 to 67 degrees Celsius, and glass transition temperature of polyethylene oxide 50 degrees Celsius.
Myself Pratiksha Patil. I am going to explain about properties of polyethylene oxide. So very first, it is water soluble thermoplastic resin and it is also soluble in organic solvents. It means it having a high affinity that means it dissolves in the water molecules easily. Next is when it dissolves, the solutions have high viscosity even at low densities, which is making the polyethylene oxide as effective thickener, which is also known as plasticizer. It is the product with a high molecular weight, having a dispersing properties and coagulation properties. It is a thermoplastics, so that polyethylene can be used for extrusion molding and calendering molding. It cannot be break down by bacteria because and it is durable polymer that resists the degradation. Aqueous solution, aqueous solution reduces friction resistance. Next is the synthesis of polyethylene oxide. So very first polyethylene oxide is synthesis through the process which is called ring opening polymerization, and in this process it involves a reaction of ethylene oxide monomer which is present in a cyclic structure which reacts with a catalyst. The catalyst used in this reaction which is alkaline catalyst, and in this the most commonly used catalyst is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. The catalyst helps to initiate and control the polymation reaction. During the polymation process, the ethylene oxide monomers opens their ring structure and joins to form the chain of the ethylene oxide units. This chain makes up the polyethylene oxide polymer. Polyethylene oxide can synthesize to various processes like solution polymation, suspension polymation, or bulk function. The choice of the method choosing is depends on the factors like molecular weight, purity, and application requirement. The polymation conditions and the ratio of monomer to catalyst can be adjusted to control the molecular weight of polyethylene glycol, which is allows for the production of polyethylene glycol with a different chain lengths and properties. Here we can see the reaction. Here we can see the present cyclic ethylene oxide structure, which is reacted with the sodium hydroxide and forms the polyethylene glycol.
Afternoon, all of you. Myself, Sakshi Shinde. I am going to discuss about the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of polyethylene oxide. So, first is advantages: excellent solubility. Polyethylene oxide, it has excellent water solubility, which allows to easy dissolution and formulation. Second is biocompatible. Polyethylene oxide, it is considered as a biocompatible for making it suitable and pharmaceutical application. Then next is versatile, used as a lubricant and thickening agent and solubilizer. Then next is film forming. Polyethylene oxide can form a thin flexible film, making it useful for applications such as coating and adhesive. Next is disadvantages of polyethylene oxide. First is hydroscopic nature. Polyethylene oxide absorbs the moisture easily, which can lead to stability issue and affect the performance of product. Then next is poor thermal stability. It has low melting point and can degrade at high temperature. And next is limiting mechanical strength. It has lower mechanical strength and making it prone to deformation. Next is applications of polyethylene oxide, adhesive industry, coating industry, pharmaceutical, and personal care products, thickening agent, etc. Next, there are references, and thank you.